And how's it going, guys? It's i7tech here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the most common mistakes that people make when trying to link their PayPal account to FNB. So if you like this type of content, make sure to hit that subscribe button and bell notification to stay notified with the latest videos on this channel. With that being said, I'm i7tech, and let's get into this video. Now, right out of the bat, a lot of people make the same mistake, and it's the most easiest mistake to make. I know sometimes you might not be aware you're making that mistake until somebody shows you that you're making that mistake. And some people make other few mistakes that are very simple to fix and are quite easy. So now let's get into it. What is the biggest mistake a lot of people are making right now when trying to link their PayPal account to FNB is that they don't check their banking history. If you have opened an FNB account before and you have closed it, that is a problem because FNB still has your information on their systems even though your account is closed. It does not mean that your information goes away. They're just waiting for you to come reopen it one day. They just, if anything happens and someone uses your information to try and open a different account, they know that they can contact you at any time to let you know that an account has been opened in your name. Is due. It's a way to protect you from identity theft or anything like that. So first thing that you need to do is to just check that if you have already opened a FNB account before, you have to go to your FNB branch with your ID and the necessary documents. I think you just need your ID and a little bit of cash to reopen the account. They're going to ask you for your ID to check for your information, and then after that they'll reopen the account, and then you'll be able to deposit money into your account, and then you'll come back. And when you come back, when you sign up, you don't use a non-FNB account, you use your FNB account. You sign in with your I think it's your PIN and your account number. I'm not too sure, don't quote me on that. I've already done it for one of my subscribers, so they done it that way, and I've already forgot how it works. But what you need to do is use your card, use your PIN, and then sign up, and then it will be as simple as easy. And once you get to that main page where you see your name and your information, the date and all of that stuff, then you can go into your PayPal account and link your PayPal to link your PayPal and FNB account together. Now, the second biggest mistake that a lot of people make right off the bat is they don't verify their PayPal account. Now, if you don't verify your PayPal account, it means that FNB cannot link to your PayPal account. So you need to verify it first before you ever do anything. And when you're verifying your PayPal account, it will take a little bit of money from your account. It will put it back in a couple of days once your account has been verified and they confirm that this is your bank account. The money will go back into your account. It's that quick, that simple, and it is that easy. You won't have any problems with that. And once you've verified your PayPal account, then it's easy when you're linking your PayPal account to FNB. You won't have any problems. Once you get to the page where you have to link your PayPal account to FNB, everything will be seamless, everything will be quick, and then you'll be done. That's one of the main mistakes a lot of people make when they are trying to link their PayPal account to FNB. And the last one is Capitec, guys. Capitec, I do not know. Capitec, Time Bank, and all the other small bank accounts might not be able to link to PayPal. If your bank account does not link, especially for me, I was using Time Bank, and Time Bank at that moment did not allow any international purchases, like in terms of buying from Amazon, buying from eBay and all of that stuff. So they didn't do foreign currency exchange. So that meant that I'd have to use another bank that did that, like ABSA and FNB, which is they've been doing it for the longest. The reason why I talked about these specific bank is because they have been doing it for the longest, and they are the ones that I know that have been, you know, in the forex game or in the foreign currency game for a long time. Absa had a partnership with Barclays. Barclays is a UK company, is a UK bank as well. So even though that partnership ended, I think in 2019, but they still, you know, have those features available, and they did not close them down. So you can still use that. That's why I use Absa personally. But you can also use FNB. FNB, of course, is the one that's providing this information to us and providing the way to actually convert our paper money into our South African rands and then into our bank accounts. So that's pretty much the two banks that I personally recommend. Yes, there are people in the comments in my previous videos, if you watch the videos where I show you guys how to link your PayPal account to FNB and to your other bank accounts, there are people that say that Capitec does work, but for me, a lot of people are coming to me with problems with a Capitec account. Maybe some of them did have an FNB account and they forgot that they had an FNB account, and they are trying to sign up with a Capitec account. But there's a few of them that say that, you know, Capitec works. I think that the most important thing that you need to check first is to check if you've previously had an FNB account. If it's closed, go back and reopen it. If you owe some money in that account, you're gonna have problems. You're gonna have to pay back that money, or if it's written off, then you can just open the account again, and then it'll be quick and easy, and then you won't have any problems. You'll be able to link your account to your PayPal online profile, and then link your PayPal account to to your FNB online banking, and it'll be as easy as that. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. If you have any mistakes that you have made and ended up rectifying it, please leave them in the comments down below, because this information is helpful for a lot of people that want to sign up for FNB and link their PayPal account to FNB, and it's helpful to them, and you know, it helps grow the community. Just leave your thoughts. I'll like it when I see it. If it's very helpful information, I'll make sure to pin it at the top of the comments if it's very helpful information. And yeah, just let's grow this community. Have your opinion in the comments down below. If I see it, I will like it. And that's about it. If you like this type of content, make sure to hit that subscribe button and bell notification to stay notified with the latest videos on this channel. Like this video if you like it. Don't forget, I'm i7tech, and I'll see you guys in the next one.